All, I have a new friend here. I wanna let you know this is banana for Moy Moy. So I gotta give you here. Hi Moy, how are you? I have banana for you. You get it? No, thank you. Hey, where are you going? Say hi to everyone. Moy, say hi to everyone. Come here, come here. Kinain niya yung saging. This is Moy Moy. This is such like a free-range monkey and a wild monkey. They were just came here by two, but some just had been already died, and he's just alone here. You see, this is his place where he reside. Look, he's having you. Come here, my boy. Calm down. My, come here. Nag-enjoy siya, oh. Malaya lang siya dito. Bye, boy. Boy. Bye. So, ito lang yung kanyang tirahan, oh. Inalagaan ng aking mga kaibigan, sina Ate Josie. Dumating lang siya dito. Bye, boy. Boy. Bye. He's happy.